I'm going to have white chocolate in it, and I'm going to put blood in it, cow's tongue, and a shark's tooth in it.
It has a goblin shark, tapeworm, and a bunch of other things that's really disgusting. It basically is going to be like a 1 out of 10 sort of thing. So like there'll be like 1 or 2 of them in a box, which was Ruben's idea of how to like make people pick good ones, and then all of a sudden you get one really revolting.
Is it like Bertie Bott's any flavoured beans?
Something like that.
What do we think, Nikki?
There's only like 1 or 2 of them.
I think that would be quite a nice biscuit packet to share with your animals. If it's got worms in it, I think my dog would quite like that.
So to be able to have a make your own box with everything meshed out, I think is a really good idea. So I hope that they sell quite well at the Christmas fair.